Hello, all the students of Channel 3. Good morning. I hope you all are well in this pandemic coronavirus. Please stay home, stay safe. Spend your quality time with your family member. You can give your quality time in your study. So I hope whatever homework I am giving you in maths and science, you are doing it on time because whenever school is going to open, I am going to have all the homework which I have given you. So today I am going to read this sign. In earlier classes I have uploaded chapter. Let me check once. I have uploaded chapter 6 term. So today I will upload some objective question of chapter 6. It might be choose the correct option and maybe match the student. So please do it in your homework problem. So I am going to start. I was teaching you chapter 9, organ and organ system. Organs and organ system. So I am going to teach you now today excretory system. Okay, so we'll see excretory system. So I can't draw the picture because it will take too much time. So just I'm just explaining from here. If you are able to see it, very good. So you can see here the kidney. When our body produces waste every day, we know that our body produces waste every day. The waste in the body has to be removed regularly to help the body function smoothly. Okay, our body produces waste every day. Means waste means it produces waste in the form of sweat. Okay, so and this waste is it is very important that whatever waste which is produced by our body, it should be removed every day. Okay, if it will not remove, then our body function will not work properly. So here the excretory system function helps the excretory system function to remove waste such as urine and sweat from the body. Which system? So the excretory system function help to remove the waste such as urine and sweat from the body. So sweat is removed from our body through the skin. Sweat is removed from the body through our, so whatever sweat comes, it removed from our body. And as the blood is carried around in our body, it collects waste from different parts. As the blood is carried around, so when the blood is carried, so it carries some waste also from different parts, and the kidney remove waste from the blood in the form of urine, and the kidney it removes waste from the blood in the form of urine, which is sent to the urinary bladder, that is urinary system. So urine gets collected. So now you can see here. See, first the kidney filter out waste from the blood from urine. You can see here. So we have the two kidney. So this kidney filter out waste from the blood in the form of urine. Because see, this waste can be, one is sweat and one is urine. So sweat is removed from our skin, and this urine is removed from, first the kidney filter out waste from the blood to form urine. After that, the urine is passed through the ureters to the urinary bladder. Now here, when kidney is here is one urinary bladder is there, as you can see. Okay, here the thin one. Here the urinary bladder is there. Whatever waste that kidney has collected from the blood in the form of urine, that urine is now passed through the urinary bladder. After that, the urinary bladder collects urine and removes it from the body by passing it through the urethra. After that, urinary bladder collects urine and remove it. Now after that again, that urinary bladder it collects all urine and removes it from the body by passing through the urethra. And after that, our waste is removed. So again I am telling, two types of waste it is explained in your book. One is one is sweat, so which is passed from our, which is removed from our body through the skin. Second is urine. So urine, it is kidney collects, okay, kidney collects waste from the blood in the form of urine. That urine is passed from urinary bladder, and after that urinary bladder collect waste and it is passed from urethra. So now the kidney filter around 1800 liters of blood in a day. Okay. So the kidney filter around 1800 liters of blood in one day, and that is around 400 times the volume of blood in our body. Now other excretory organs are skin and lungs are the lungs. Okay. Our other excretory organs are skin and lungs. Okay. So first, for excretory system, so understood. Now going for reproductive system. Reproductive system. Indeed, the reproductive system of humans helps them to reproduce and have babies. Okay, the reproductive system of the human help them to reproduce and have babies. It generally happens in women. Okay, the reproductive system, it helps reproductive system of humans, okay, helps them to reproduce and have babies. Okay, and next we'll go to nervous system. Let me check. Yes, nervous system. Have you wondered what controls the functioning of all the system in our body? Yes. Have you ever think that have you ever think like how we can our brain, our spinal cord, our nerves, okay, that is all controlled by the nervous system. So our nervous system control everything we do. Okay, our nervous system control everything we do. Everything means if we are able to see with the help of nervous system, if we are able to write with the help of nervous system, if we are able to walk, then with the help of nervous system, if we are able to hear, then with the help of nervous system, if we are able to you can see smell, then with the help of nervous system. Thinking also, feeling also. Okay, if you are thinking also, then nervous system. Feeling also, then nervous system. So the brain, spinal cord, and nerves together form our nervous system. Okay, the brain, spinal cord, and nerves together they form our nervous system. As you can see, brain. Okay, so see, as you can see, brain is a complex organ that act like our body control center. Okay, our all body is controlled by our brain. If you are able to think also, then we are able to think by our brain. Now this spinal cord here, okay, this spinal cord transmit messages from the brain to different parts of the body and back to the brain. Okay, like if you want, I want to shake my hand, then this message is sent from my spinal cord to the brain, and again it's sent back to the our this my hand to with the help of spinal cord. Now nerve connects every part of the body to the spinal cord, and the brain they carry messages back and forth. And these nerves, whatever the small nerves are there, they connects every part of the body to the spinal cord and the brain. After that, they carry message back and forth. It sends message, it reflects also. Okay, so if I if I want to write, then my brain sends message to the spinal cord, then I am writing. If I want to stop, then again it sends again back message with the help of spinal cord to the brain, and it says stop, do not write. This all happen with the help of these three things: brain, spinal cord, and nerve. So chapter 9 is over. So in next class I will start chapter 10, new chapter measurement. So for now, goodbye to all.